All right, so your project has been in use for quite a while. It's probably filthy, but the good news is Cork fabric has natural antimicrobial properties. It's flame retardant, it's mildew resistant, it's hypoallergenic, and it's just pretty much amazing. Given the current circumstances of the world, one thing you should know about it is it's super easy to clean. You can take warm soap and water or a wet wipe. You can wipe your project down and it should remove all the dirt and nasty grime that you see here so that you can proceed. The other thing that I like to do, especially right now, I love carrying my Cork wallet by itself. And the reason is when I get back to my car from the store, I can just take this natural hand sanitizer and wipe a little bit on this. It keeps it from being germy, and I can go on with my day knowing that, I'm protecting my family. So that's one thing that I do appreciate about Cork fabric more than I used to.